Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make shepherd's pie. I can't wait to share the recipe, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by prepping our ingredients. Dice 1 onion, two carrots, and peel and chop 3 to 4 gold potatoes. When you're finished, set your prepped ingredients to the side. In a large pot of cold water, add your chopped potatoes. Place a lid over your pot and then bring the water to a boil. Boil your potatoes for about 20 to 30 minutes or until you can stab it easily with a fork. Drain the water from the pot and place it back on the stove. Then cook your potatoes over medium-low heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add a half a cup of milk and begin to mash your potatoes. Once you have mashed your potatoes until they are smooth, add a half a cup of unsalted butter. After you've added your butter, add 2 ounces of cream cheese, a half a cup of sour cream, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and another half a cup of milk. This part's optional. I only added more milk because I felt like my mashed potatoes were a bit too thick. Then add 1/4 cup of white cheddar cheese and 1/4 cup of mild cheddar cheese. Mix all your ingredients in until well combined. When you're finished, set your mashed potatoes to the side. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add the ground meat of your choice. I added turkey meat. I'm pretty sure traditional shepherd's pie uses ground lamb. Next, season your meat. I seasoned mine with seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper. Cook your meat until it has browned completely. Once your meat is cooked, add your diced onions, or 1 cup of diced onions. Sauté your onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add your diced carrots. We're gonna saute the carrots for 2 to 3 minutes as well. After you sauteed your veggies, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Cook those together for 1 minute. Next, add 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix everything together until well combined. Now add 1½ cups of beef broth. Let that cook for about 1 to 2 minutes and then add a ½ cup of red wine, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a ½ teaspoon of seasoned salt, and a ½ teaspoon of pepper. Once everything has been mixed in and well combined, add a cup of frozen peas. Stir the peas in until they are thawed and cooked. Once your peas are cooked, you can go ahead and begin assembling your shepherd's pie. In a baking dish, add your meat and veggies. Once you've added your meat and veggies and evened out the top, add your mashed potatoes. I added my mashed potatoes into a Ziploc bag and then cut out a hole so it would be easier to add the mashed potatoes onto the meat. Once you've added your mashed potatoes, smooth the top with a spatula. This part's optional, but I decided to pipe a design with the mashed potatoes on my shepherd's pie. I forgot to do this, but if you want, you can rough up the top of your shepherd's pie to make a crispy top. Then add some sharp white cheddar cheese on top. Now, place your shepherd's pie in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. If the top of your shepherd's pie isn't browning after you've cooked it, then you can always broil it for about 3 to 5 minutes. And this is the finished result. It came out looking really good, and it smelled great. I really liked the little design I piped onto the shepherd's pie. It just made it look a bit fancier. And it tasted great. The meat was very flavorful and the mashed potatoes were so smooth and delicious. I had to keep myself from eating all the mashed potatoes while I was cooking. It was just so creamy and good. Overall, this was great. I totally recommend giving it a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!